Welcome to Acadmea. Your journey to exam success starts here. In this video, we'll walk you through the notifications, question reports, and proctoring analysis sections. From the sidebar menu, go to Notifications. Here, you can manage all your notifications and view their details. To create a new notification, click on Create Notification. Enter the required details such as title and message, select the notification type, set its priority, and choose the target audience. Adding an image or action is optional. You can either schedule the notification or send it instantly. Once created, your notification will appear in the list. Next, navigate to the Question Report section. This section allows you to review and manage issues reported by users related to questions, helping you maintain content accuracy and quality. Finally, go to Proctoring Analysis. Here, you can monitor test integrity by analyzing violations and reviewing flagged attempts. You can also export these reports for further analysis. And that's how you can effectively manage notifications, handle question reports, and track proctoring insights in Academea. Transform your exam preparation with Academea.